In this tutorial, I'll show you how to change the country or TV region of your LG Smart TVs so you have access to new applications that are not available in your country. Take your remote control and press the settings button that should look just like this one. A menu will come up and select the last option, All Settings. Now another menu will come up right here. Go into General and then select Location, which is the second option. Here you need to select OK again on your remote control and you'll be able to change the country. I only have 4 options over here since my TV was bought in Canada. But if you're living in other regions of the world, you'll be able to choose between a list of many more countries. Once you've selected the country you want to choose, let's say I want Canada, press the OK button, and this will tell you that the TV needs to restart to make the change. So just press the Yes option right over here and OK. It should take a few seconds or maybe even a minute to completely restart the TV. So after a few seconds, the TV restarted, and now we can have access to the LG content store of the specific country you selected. What's nice about it is that you can go into this store and you'll have to select Agree All over here. Then press More if there's more, again more. What's nice is whatever application you will select and install here, if you revert to your original country, the application will actually stay on your LG TV. It won't go away. So this is it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, leave a like and a comment if this video was helpful.